Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time and if you have been here before, then welcome back. So in this video, I am showing you how I did faux locks over my real locks. But before I continue with this video, please like, comment and share my video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance. So I am of course going to use some faux locks, some marley hair, a crochet hook and some hair ties. So I'm going to section my locks into two parts and start the process. And one thing, this is not a tutorial, I'm just showing you how I did my DIY faux locks, if that makes sense. So these are 22-inch faux locks in color 1B, and I ordered them from the Express official store on AliExpress. I bought 6 packs and in each pack were 20 locks. That means 120 in total. I have 110 locks, so that was more than enough for me. I am 5.6 feet and these locks came down to my behind. So here I just started with the first lock, and mind you, I never had faux locks, so the process took longer than I expected. I watched many videos of ladies putting faux locks over their real locks, and I thought I'm going to try it out too because I wanted something different. So after 4 or 5 hours and taking many short breaks, I finally got here, and Charlie, it wasn't easy. Hey! And I had to finish this hair that day because I'm not that girl who goes outside with unfinished hair, with a scarf on her head, for 3 days long, okay? I'm not about that life anymore. My arms were tired already, but I really needed to finish this thing that day. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the brand of the marley hair that I was using. It is called Soft and Silky, and the hair has been in my basement for a minute. I mean, I believe I'm not the only one with a bag full of unused synthetic hair or leftover hair. Since I started my lock journey, I barely use synthetic hair on my locks. It's only when I need a little change, you know. The last time I used synthetic hair on my locks was back in December 2021. I had box braids with curly ends. So this was one of the struggles that I was facing sometimes. As you can see, I couldn't find a loophole, if it's called like that, and you know, I had to ditch the lock and take another one and keep it moving.
One eternity later.
So guys, I was finally done. You can see how tired I look. But the locks were a little heavy for me, so I ended up removing 15 locks and it felt so much better. So after a week, I did put waves in my locks for my birthday, and this is how it looked. So you have reached to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.